I'm going to be going over some steps for pre-booking at the salon. Pre-booking can be done by the service provider, a coworker, or of course, always best to have the front desk guest service provider do this at the time of checkout. First, determine how often the guest needs to be seen by the service provider. You should also check their scheduling history. This will help determine certain days or times that usually work for the guest, as well as the timing of their appointment that needs to be taken into consideration when you schedule. So then you're going to look ahead to a day, date, and time available and coordinate with the guest and schedule. Once scheduled, offer an appointment, or if you're able to book further ahead, like a year in advance, because we could book for an entire year, then offer them a printout of all their future visits. And this way they can add it to their calendar and let them know that if there's any conflicts that arise, that we will adjust accordingly. Always encourage the guests to pre-book by letting them know that the service providers do fill up their schedules quickly, as other guests do pre-book as well, and we want to make sure that they have time reserved for them, especially around special occasions and holidays and such. If they are unable to pre-book, ask them if they like to be added to our VIP list, and then when it would be closer to the time that they'd be coming in, we will give them a call to schedule. If you are unable to schedule the guest on their most desired date or time, then offer to be added to our cancellation list, and we will give them a call as soon as their preferred time opens up. And remember to never ask the guest if they want to just call and schedule their appointment when they're ready, because that would lead to last minute pressure on both ends, and we don't want to set ourselves up for that. An example scenario of pre-booking would be as follows. Melinda would like to see you back in 5 weeks, which would be Thursday, January 3rd. It looks like 2 p.m. usually works for you, and she is available. So those are some steps with pre-booking. Good luck.